What happened to your pumpkin cup?
It's too early for fall.
Oh,
Purely decorative. Uh,
you were not too happy about that, were you?
it's not even fall yet.
I was.
She-
She brought it to me. I was out in the garden and the sun was coming up.
She ambushed me this morning with a pumpkin cup. With a fall cup. It wasn't a pumpkin cup, it was a fall cup.
He changed my cup, y'all. So this is what I got right now.
We can't fall into that right now.
He's not ready.
No, not ready at all.
Okay, so we're talking today out in the garden about the ecosystem that is slowly evolving in our garden. It's very important to have ecosystem in your garden because it helps out the garden a lot. So yesterday I was inside.
Yep.
And I see this huge bird coming towards the window, flapping all over. I always see it in the garden. I'm talking about a hawk.
Yeah.
That likes to hang out by the crepe myrtles over there. And the fence sometimes. Even while I'm out here, just comes and chills on the fence. I'm not scared of it. It doesn't try to do anything to us, any harm, but I was wondering why it's been hanging around more than usual. So, we've been putting bird food around, and there's a bird feeder that never made it to a tree on the table.
Yeah.
So, these birds, these hogs, they know that there's bird bath.
Yep.
And they know that there's bird feeders.
Yep.
So put that together and you got little birds around, and you got squirrels too that they can feed off of. It's all a circle. Everybody working together. They'll eat critters, like if we have any type of rodent in here, they'll come and take it. Even the owls at night are here. We have bats. Yeah. I've seen the bats. I'm out here pretty early, so I get to see the bats as well.
We used to get skunks in here.
Yes.
I haven't seen a skunk in a while.
I think we still get them. That's why sometimes I find the beds.
But I haven't seen it in a while. I'm sure they come in here, but I haven't seen it in a while.
I would love to see possums. I haven't seen the possums.
Yeah.
We used to have possums at our old place, but some critters are wanted and some are not. Now, I don't want. Oh, this is the hard part about creating the ecosystem, because, like I said, everybody is working together, but the hawk is here not to be friends with the birds or the squirrels. It's feeding off of them. So if you don't want that in your garden, you have to disrupt the cycle by not putting any food in the feeders for at least 2 weeks. So that way the hawk can start feeding, going somewhere else.
But the problem is that the birds don't care whether there's food or not. They still come around.
Yeah.
So it's hard to disrupt them.
We have a lot of birds in here. A lot. Oh, there's our boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're talking about right now the cardinal.
Yeah, so that cardinal family that had hatchlings here, they still come around. They come and go. You can tell that the newborns are, they're coming into their red, so they're in their juvenile state. But it doesn't stop the birds from coming to our garden. So it's kind of hard to disrupt the cycle that we have going on here, whether we put bird food out or not.
Mm-hmm.
They're still going to be here. We got bird bats. They're picking the insects off the plants. They're just hanging around.
Which we want.
All over the place. And like we were talking, I was telling Angie, we can't really get rid of them. I mean, it's a cycle. The hawk's going to come and do its thing, and there's not much we can do about it.
Yeah, it's just that I kind of have this thing with the birds now. They know that I bring out, we both bring out the water, we both bring out the food.
Yep.
And they hang around with us so much. It's just so funny because it's like I can tell you who is who, from the doves. It's just so funny. But that's, it's It's nature.
Yep.
You hear them? Oh my gosh. And they're like waiting and like in the trees as the sun is starting to rise, and they know when I come out. It's just beautiful, guys. If y'all don't have a garden yet and are really thinking about it, go for it. Um you're always learning something new in the garden. And there's our boy.
Is he hanging out back there?
That's one of the new ones.
Yeah.
Look, you see, and they're not like scared of us anymore. I can't focus into him. They're not scared of us anymore. So they come close by and they hang out and everything.